you want to talk to you about like, so, like in your experience in general, like what are the common misconceptions in your field in PI from clients or maybe from, I don't know, in general in your stadium, what are the misconceptions?
I think from the injured victim's perspective, these cases are a lot more work than people think. A lot of people think that all I do is just call up an insurance company and settle the case right away, or just file a lawsuit with the court just to have money come out the other end. But really, these cases go on for years. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of wrestling with insurance companies and a lot of headache before you receive any money.
So like, walk me through like, what's a timeline generally? Because I know people, when I haven't done that much personal injury, but I know when people, they'll sign up and then they'll start asking me, well, when do I get, why is this taking so long? And
well, normally the deadline to file a personal injury lawsuit is 2 years. And this is different when the defendant's the government, a healthcare provider, or like an entity on a Native American tribal reservation. So for that reason, it's always good to consult with an attorney right away if you're a negligence victim, so you could ascertain the right deadline. And then once you do file a lawsuit, the code gives you 5 years to bring the case to trial, but you could extend that for good cause. So you're looking at up to 7 years sometimes just to get these cases resolved. But with that said, I find that personal injury is kind of divided into two different facets. There's like some personal injury law firms will just take cases and then try to settle them pre-litigation before a lawsuit is filed. And a lot of that can be done in auto accident cases, especially like rear end collisions where no one's disputing liability. But I found more with the premises and product liability cases, they have to go into a lawsuit normally, and they take a lot longer to resolve.